Everyday English Essentials.
Welcome to Everyday English Essentials. In today's lesson, we'll explore how to describe your daily routine and use time expressions correctly. You'll learn essential vocabulary and see real-life conversations to help you improve your English. Let's begin. Section 1. Common daily routine verbs.
To talk about our daily life, we need the right verbs. Here are some common daily routine verbs. Sweetheart. It's time to get up.
Good morning, Mom.
Lily, what are you doing?
Dad, I'm brushing my teeth. I'll come out after I finish showering.
All right, but don't take too long.
Yes, I know. I'll be out soon. Hey Max, why are you taking so long to take a shower? Are you planning to stay in there all day?
I'm just enjoying the warm water. It's cold outside.
But if you stay too long, you'll feel even colder when you get out.
Oh, that's true. But the warm water feels so nice. I don't want to leave yet.
Hurry up. If you catch a cold, I'll have to go out alone tomorrow.
Alright. I'm coming out now.
Good morning, Mom. What are you making? It smells so good.
I'm making pancakes for breakfast. Now go get dressed before eating.
But I'm so hungry. Can I eat first?
No. Get dressed first, then you come have breakfast.
Alright, I'll do it now.
Good. Your food will be ready when you're done.
Emma, stop making that snowman. It's time to go to school.
Just a little more. Look, it's almost done.
If we don't leave now, we'll be late. You can finish it when we come home.
But what if the snow melts by then?
Emma, it's winter. The snow isn't going anywhere. Now, let's go to school.
Alright. But as soon as we come home, let's finish the snowman together.
Deal. Now hurry up.
Emily, dinner is ready. Come have dinner with us.
Just a little more. This episode is almost over.
Alright, but don't take too long. The food will get cold.
I promise. Just 2 more minutes.
Okay, but after dinner, let's relax for a bit, then you should go to bed early.
That sounds good. Maybe we can talk or read together before I go to bed.
Now, come eat before your food gets cold.
I'm coming.
Good morning, Tommy. How are you today?
Good morning, Mrs. Harper. How are you?
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up around 6 a.m., but I don't get up right away. I like to stay in bed for a few minutes before actually getting up at 6:50.
Oh, I see. A little extra time in bed sounds nice. What's the first thing you do after getting up?
First, I brush my teeth, then I take a shower. It helps me wake up completely.
That's a great habit. I usually take a shower after breakfast instead. What do you do next?
I get dressed and then have breakfast. I usually just have toast and milk.
That's a good choice. What time do you leave for school?
Around 7:30. What about you?
I leave at 7:30 to get to work by 8.
Oh, here comes my bus. Have a great day, Mrs. Harper.
Bye, kiddo. You have a great day too.
Hi Mom. How are you?
Emily, I'm good. How was school today?
It was good, but I'm so tired. I just got home around 4 p.m. What about you?
I finished work at 5 and got home around 6. So, what do you usually do when you come home?
First I change into something comfortable, and I relax for a bit before making dinner. Then I just scroll on my phone for a while.
That sounds like a good way to unwind after school. But don't spend too much time on your phone, okay?
I know, Mom. Don't worry.
Alright, sweetie. Have some dinner later and get some rest.
I will. Love you, Mom.
Love you too. Talk to you soon.
Linda, what time do you have dinner?
Around 7 p.m. I usually eat with my family. What about you?
Same. After dinner, I like to watch a TV show or read a book.
That's nice. I sometimes watch TV too, but if I'm really tired, I just lie in bed and scroll through my phone.
Yeah, I do that too. But I try not to stay up too late. What time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30. I try to sleep early so I won't feel tired in the morning.
That's a good habit. I usually go to bed around the same time. Anyway, it's getting late. I should head home now.
Oh, okay. Let's meet up again soon.
Section 2, Time Expressions. To describe when we do things, we use time expressions. Let's look at some of the most common ones. In the morning. This phrase refers to the time between midnight and 11:59 a.m., but it is commonly used for the period from sunrise until before 12 p.m.
We use in the morning when talking about activities that happen after waking up but before noon, such as having breakfast or going to work. In the afternoon. This phrase refers to the time from 12 p.m. to around 6 p.m. We use this phrase for activities that happen after lunch but before the evening starts, such as working or resting. In the evening. This phrase refers to the time from around 6 p.m. until before bedtime. It refers to activities after dinner, like relaxing, watching TV, or meeting friends. At night. The time after dark, usually from around 9 p.m. until before dawn. It is used to talk about nighttime activities, such as sleeping or going out late. At midnight. The exact time of 12 a.m., when a new day begins.
Every day, describes something that happens daily, from Monday to Sunday without exception. It is used to talk about routines or repeated activities. If the event repeats in the morning on weekdays, you can use the phrase, every morning, to specify the time it occurs. Every weekend, used to describe things that happen on weekends, Saturday and Sunday. It often refers to recurring weekend activities like outings or relaxation. On weekdays, refers to Monday through Friday, often used for work or activities that happen on these days. For example, I go to work on weekdays. On weekends, refers to Saturday and Sunday, typically used when talking about relaxation, entertainment, or social activities. For example, I usually come for a coffee on weekends. Once a week means one time per week, used when describing an activity or habit that happens exactly once within a week. For instance, I take diving lessons once a week. Twice a month means 2 times per month, used to describe the frequency of an event occurring twice in a month. For instance, I get a haircut twice a month. Now, let's see how these are used in real-life conversations.
Hey Jake, what's your weekday schedule like?
Well, I wake up at 6:30 a.m. and head to work by 8 a.m.
That's pretty early. I start work later, so I usually wake up around 7:30 a.m.
Yeah, but the good thing is I finish by 5 p.m.
Lucky you. I don't get home until around 7 p.m. How about weekends?
Oh, I love them. I usually sleep in and go out for brunch on Saturdays and Sundays.
Same here. I like to take it easy, but I also make sure to hit the gym on Saturdays.
That's a great habit. I try to go twice a month, but honestly, I get lazy.
Hey, David, let's plan our week. We're both busy during the weekdays, so how about doing something fun this weekend?
Sounds great. How about a movie night on Saturday?
That'd be perfect. And maybe we could grab brunch on Sunday morning?
That sounds good, but don't forget, my parents are coming over around 1 p.m. on Sunday.
Oh, that's right. In that case, let's save brunch for another time.
Yeah, maybe we can make it a weekly thing. Go out for a nice breakfast together.
Jane, when do you usually study?
Mostly at night, after dinner. What about you?
Same here. I concentrate better when it's quiet, sometimes even at midnight.
Wow, I can't stay up that late. I prefer going to bed early so I can review my notes in the morning before class.
That's a good habit. I like sleeping in and studying in the afternoon instead.
Looks like we have different study styles.
Section 3. Describing a full day. Now that we've learned daily routine verbs and time expressions, let's put everything together to describe a full day.
When we talk about our daily routine, we usually go step by step from morning to night. Let's look at how to describe a typical day. Emma, what time do you wake up? And what's your morning routine?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I stay in bed for a few minutes, then I get up. I brush my teeth and take a quick shower. After that, I put on my clothes and eat breakfast. I usually have toast and orange juice. At 7:30 a.m., I leave for school by bus, so I need to be on time.
Wow, you must have a busy morning. How about Jack? What do you do after school?
After school, I go to the library to study a little. Then, I go home at 4:30 p.m. When I get home, I change my clothes and rest. Sometimes, I help my mom cook.
That's good. How do you spend your evening, Bella?
In the evening, I eat dinner with my family at 7 p.m. After dinner, I do my homework, then relax by watching TV or reading a book. At 10:30 p.m., I go to bed. Before sleeping, I look at my phone for a little while, but I try not to stay up too late.
No, I know why you stay so organized and productive every day.
Alice, how do you usually spend your weekends?
My weekends are quite simple. Let me tell you about them. On Saturdays, I wake up at 8 a.m. and freshen up. After that, I take my time and go out for breakfast with my friends. In the afternoon, I do fun things like painting or walking in the park. Sometimes, I go shopping. In the evening, I eat dinner at a restaurant or stay home and watch a movie. On Sundays, I like to rest. I clean my room, wash my clothes, and plan my week. I also try to go to bed early, so I can start the new week fresh.
That's a great way to recharge for the week ahead.
Ellen, why do you have such beautiful skin?
Thank you. I take good care of my health by maintaining a balanced lifestyle. I eat healthy food, stay hydrated, and exercise regularly.
That's great. What do you usually do during the week to balance work and life?
From Monday to Friday, I wake up early, freshen up, and go to work in the morning. In the evenings on Tuesday and Thursday, I study English to improve my skills. I also cycle at home for 30 minutes every evening to stay in shape. On Wednesday and Friday afternoons, I attend my diving class, which helps me stay fit and explore a new hobby. Friday is also my shopping day. After work, I buy essential household items for the upcoming week. I try to keep a good balance between work, learning, and staying healthy. That's my weekly routine. Now it's your turn.
Now, you can confidently talk about your daily routine and use time expressions correctly. Keep practicing and try describing your own routine in English. Thank you for watching.
If you found this video helpful, give us a like, share, and subscribe to Everyday English Essentials for more lessons. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like next. See you in the next video.